From where do I get the ideas of products, winning products to sell on Amazon? Basically, this question is totally different from the Amazon product research. And what most of the new sellers do is they basically mix these two things because Amazon product research and product analytics and product finalization is totally different thing. This is the second stage. But finding the Amazon product ideas is totally different thing. So let me just clear you this confusion. Finding Amazon product ideas means you go on different platforms. It can be Amazon, or it can be Shopify, it can be Etsy, Facebook, TikTok Marketplace, YouTube, or anywhere. Like you can just walk around to the supermarket near you and find the product ideas from there. Because to get the product ideas, you are open. You can find the ideas from anywhere. Like if you think that this product can be sold on Amazon, you can just write down that product into your list. So basically, this is called product ideas finding. But when you're having the list ready of 20 products, 30 products or 50 products, then the second stage is to go on Amazon and type all of those products one by one and do the analysis. Like what is the demand of that particular product, what is the competition, how many sellers are selling, what are the top reviews of top sellers, what is the profit if you source that product from China, and if this product is scalable, profitable or not. Then when you have 50 products in your list, then after doing the analysis, you might end up left with 3 to 4 products or maybe 5 products, and all of those 45 products you rejected with some reason, like if they are having high competition or low competition, low profit, or maybe some other reasons, right? But the first step to finding out the product ideas is super important, in which you need to do some brainstorming and try to find out that product which is not so common, having high revenue and low demand. Right? So basically in this video, I'm going to show you some practical ways to find out the product ideas, like from where you can actually get the ideas. And once you make the list of all of those ideas, then in the second stage, you can just do the analysis of those product ideas one by one and try to figure out or shortlist which product you think that it's a winning product and which product you can sell, right? Because I have seen many people around there who know how to do the analysis of product, how to find that if this product will work or not, if this product is having good demand, low competition or not. But actually they are short of product ideas. They don't know from where they can actually find the product ideas. So basically this thing, finding the product ideas, is the first step of any Amazon seller journey, and I think it is the most important step. And if you know how to do this properly, you will win the whole Amazon FBA game. So if you're also excited like me at this point to learn the ways from where you can actually find a good product ideas, then keep on watching this short video completely till the end, step by step, without skipping any part. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales, and if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales, and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue, and a cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened Amazon website. So basically there are endless possibilities to find a product idea to sell on Amazon or any other e-commerce website out there, right? So today we will be starting our process from Amazon website, and after opening that Amazon website, you need to click on this menu on the top left corner which says all. And from that menu, you will be able to see some tabs here like trending, and if you go down, you will be able to find some categories like digital content devices. If you go further down, shop by department. If you go further down, program and feature, right? But if you go up, you will be able to see this trending tab, and on this trending tab, you can see these two most important tabs, which is bestseller and new release, right? So let's open these tabs one by one. So basically if we start our product research from the Amazon own website, so it can actually give us more exposure of the products which are already selling on Amazon and which are bestseller, and there are some old sellers selling those products very well. Or from the new releases, we can actually find some new products, trending products, and from this new release section we can find some new sellers who have actually launched their product and they are actually perform very best. So this is the method which is a totally free method. People actually get confused and make this thing complicated. They buy some expensive tool, they hire some expensive people out there on internet to do the product research for their product. But here you can see that this new release tab is given by the Amazon website itself. So what can be better than this? Like Amazon is itself telling you like these are the new sellers and these are the new products that they have launched and right now they are performing good. So this will be a very super accurate signal for you like these are the new product, and if these new sellers have launched these products and they are performing very well, so you can also launch this product after doing your analysis, because if they are performing best you can also perform good, right? So now let's open these two tabs like bestseller and new releases. Okay, so if we start finding our product ideas from this page, Amazon hot new releases, then it will be a super efficient and fast method. You can see that if I'm on this page, so Amazon is showing me that new releases in tools and home improvement category are these and new releases in cloth category are these. So for example, if you're interested in launching your product in home and kitchen category, in office categories, or even in sports category, you can just scroll down and find your favorite category. Like for example, in this case, my category is lawn and garden. So if I go down, I can see this category like new releases in patio, lawn and garden. So here you can see that this product is ranking number 1, number 2, number 3, and if I scroll right, so I can find some new products as well. You can see that this product. So from this page, we can actually get some good product ideas like I have already got now. You can see in front of me, there are 3 products and product number 1 is having only 1 review and product number 2 is having 27 review and product number 3 is having 127 reviews, which are obviously not very high. And in the patio, lawn and garden category, these products are ranking on number 7, number 8 and number 9, which is very good. So now let's open these products one by one. This one and this one, because I know that these products are new release and they're actually ranking on top and they're actually getting good sales. That means if we do the proper research on these products, find out the keywords, find out the competitor revenues, then we may finalize any one of them, and if we launch this product, our product can also get ranked on this page and we can start getting good sales and make our Amazon launch successful. So let's just open all of those listings one by one, which we have just clicked. So here you can see that this product is 3-inch pool cleaning supplies, crystal clear water maintenance, right? So basically these are some chlorine tablet which is used to clean the pools, right? And you can see that this product is having a badge of number 1 new release in pool and maintenance kit, and the selling price for this product is $120, which is very good, and the weight is 10 lps, and you can see that we are having some other variants of 5 lps and 2 lps. Okay, so if I go further down, I can see the bestseller rank for this product in patio, lawn and garden category is 459, which is very good. So as I say in this video, we are only going to find the product ideas, not finalizing them, not doing the proper analysis, right? So basically we can just copy the name of this product like pool cleaning supplies or crystal clear tablets of water maintenance. We can just type that product into our product ideas list, right? And if we go for second product, which is pocket hose copper bullet with thumb spray. So basically this is a shower hose pipe which is like a spray gun, and you can just use this for a gardening purpose, like to watering the plants, watering the grass, or maybe you can just use this to wash your car as well, right? And this product is actually having an Amazon choice badge in the keyword garden hoses by pocket hose and 27 rating, and you can see that $59.99 is the selling price. And if I go further down, I can just see the bestseller rank in that category is 465. So basically this product listing amazed me because the release date for this product is 20 June 2023. Like 1 month ago, this seller launched this product, and right now this product is having 27 rating and performing very best. So I must say that this is a very good product and I need to put that product into my list as well. So later, before finalizing that, I can just do the further analysis on the keywords, on the revenue, on the competition, and then if this product is good, all of the criteria will be passed, then I can just go for that product, right? And as you can see that in garden hoses by pocket hose, this is the keyword, and on this keyword this product is actually getting Amazon choice badge. So I can just copy that keyword and paste that keyword into search and search for that keyword, right? So here I can see that this product is really ranking on page number 1 on the second position on that keyword. Everything is very good for this product. Now our third product, which we have just opened, and this is rolling grilling baskets for outdoor grill barbecue, right? You can see that this is also having a badge of number 1 bestseller in grill basket, and if I go further down, I can see $26.9 selling price, 127 rating, and the listing is highly optimized. The images are really good, the title, bullet point, description, all the things are good. And if I go further down, I can see the BSR is 478 in that particular category, which is really good. right? So I can just shortlist this product as well. So basically this was the first way to find the product ideas to sell on Amazon, like from the new release tab and from the bestseller tab. You can just click on these tabs, find out your favorite category and find out all of those products which have been launched in past couple of months and are having good rating, good reviews and performing very good. So if you find out 20 to 30 products from these tabs and then do the further analysis later from your sheet, then definitely you will be able to find a good winner product for your Amazon store which you can launch and get good profit. So from this method you can actually get the ideas. And the second method, which is also a powerful method, is when you find some product to sell from these tabs like bestseller or new releases. So from all of those products, you can see that this product is actually grilling basket. But in actual, this is a listing and this listing belongs to a brand and the brand name is Alchema Store, right? So you can see that if I read the title of that product and under that title, I can see a button or link which says visit the Alchema Store, right? So basically if I click on that link, I will be able to see some other product which are being sold by this same brand. So basically if this brand is selling this grilling basket in the home and lawn garden niche, so I'm 100% sure that this seller must be having some other products in that category on this store. So just like that, if we just go on the Amazon bestseller tab, so that page is having the same structure, like some categories and some best selling product in that category, right? So basically if I just scroll down and if I just check out my favorite category, which is sports and outdoor, so I can see these three listings which are on top. So if I just open this listing, which is the third listing, so here I can see that this is the bestseller listing on this bestseller tab, but obviously we cannot launch this product because this seller is too old and you can see that more than 100,000 reviews they are having. So we cannot sell this product. But wait, there is another thing which we can do from this listing. You can see that this is the old seller, this is the old brand, and this is basically a successful seller. So no matter if we cannot sell this product because of the high reviews and high competition, we can just click on this visit the Sabre store, right? If we click on this store, so we will be able to see all of the other product which this seller is selling, right? Because this is a big brand and this is a successful brand on Amazon, right? So if we go on their store, we will be able to definitely find some new products or new releases on that store. So we can just visit their store and scroll down and try to find out all of those products which are selling by this brand, no matter these products are old or new product. So by doing that exercise, we can just find out all of the product in that category which are in their catalog. So if we do this exercise by visiting the storefront of some big seller, so if we find out 10 to 20 big seller and keep checking the storefront on all of those 10 or 20 seller, then definitely we will be able to find some products which are new released by those seller and we can actually copy all of those products and paste those products into our product list. So later when we will complete our product finding ideas exercise, so we can just move on to our second part, which is analysis of all of those products which we have just put into a sheet. Okay, so right after watching this video, go there, try to find out as many products as you can from the bestseller tab or from the new release tab. And after finding out all of those product ideas which you think that you can sell on Amazon, do the proper analysis of all of those products one by one and try to shortlist all of those products, 1, 2 or maybe 3, which you think that fulfills your criteria and fulfills your requirement. And if you don't know how to analyze your product after finding them, then you can watch my other video in my playlist in which I have explained you in detail like how you can actually finalize your product before launching and how you can check the criteria of that product, like if that product is fulfilling that criteria or not. Because I recommend you, if you only launch that product which you think that is in high demand, low competition, high revenue, best seller reviews, easy to rank and having good profit margin. If you check all of your product before launching as per that criteria, then the chances for your product to become successful on Amazon will be super high. So right after watching this video, go there, try to find out the best product to sell on Amazon with these methods and make your Amazon product launch successful. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.